Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up mesh Wi-Fi system using TP-Link Deco M5. Let's get into it right now. First off, we are going to set up the main Deco unit. This one will be in charge of distributing the internet, and the other units will extend the signal through your home. You can swap them around, they are absolutely identical, at least until you set them up. So first we need to power on your Deco unit. There are no power buttons on the body, so all you need is plug in your Deco to the power source like this. Use the adapter from the box. Next, let's take a look at the back panel. Here you have two Ethernet ports. Each of them can work as input and as output. Each of them is gigabit Ethernet port, so make sure you connect it to the fastest internet source you have. So use the cable from the box and plug in one end of this cable to any Ethernet port on your Deco, and the other end you can plug into your modem or Wi-Fi router, or directly to LAN socket in the wall if you have one. So let me use my router for this example. So just connect to the internet like this. Now take a look at the Wi-Fi indicator on your Deco. It should flashing blue. It means the Deco is ready for connection, and you can continue on your smartphone. Unlike the classic Wi-Fi routers, you can set up TP-Link Deco mesh system using web browser interface. You have to use your smartphone and install TP-Link Deco application. It's available for Android and iPhone, so just install it and let's open the app. Allow to send notifications. Okay, let's allow. Maybe it will be useful in future. So accept the terms and conditions on this screen, tap continue. Allow to find devices on local network. And now you need to create a TP-Link ID or log into your account. I already have an account, so if you don't have one, just create it. Let me just log into mine and show you how it works. So log in. Let's skip two-step verification for now, maybe later. And now tap on Let's Begin. Allow to find Bluetooth devices. And it's looking for your Deco. Make sure that Wi-Fi indicator is blinking. Now it's connected. It's Deco M5, and let's set it up. So now connect Deco to your modem via an Ethernet cable, already done. So just tap on this arrow, restart your modem, do this and tap on modem restarted. Now where do you place this Deco? Let's answer this question a little bit. Bedroom, tap on that. Now connect your Deco to the internet, already done. So you don't have to change anything over here. Everything is detected automatically. So if you're an advanced user, you can adjust these settings, but actually I don't see any reason to do this now. Hit next, and now you need to create your network name and password. So let's name it Deco Net and create a simple password, just for example. I recommend you to use stronger password, of course. Once you created your password, hit return and wait until this line fills. Deco wants to join Wi-Fi network DecoNet. Let's give this permission to the app to control our Deco. That's it, Deco is now in line, and now let's add the second unit, the extender of our Wi-Fi signal. Actually, you don't have to connect the second Deco over Wi-Fi. Moreover, if you have an opportunity to establish wired connection, I recommend you to do next. Connect your main Deco with the second Deco via Ethernet cable like this. And now let's follow this chain once again. This is the main Deco, and it's connected with my internet source, Wi-Fi router or LAN socket in the wall. The next Deco is connected to this Deco with the next Ethernet cable. And if you input the next cable here, the second port will work like output, and any port on the next Deco will work like input. In this way you can connect any amount and the number of Decos you want to connect. So if you have chance to connect by wire, you will get the highest speed possible, so do it. But I'm connecting the Decos right on my table, but if you don't have an opportunity to connect the Decos with the wire, you can confidently disconnect them and place the second unit in another room in Wi-Fi dead zone. And what you need now is power on the second Deco. As you know already, you have just to plug it into the power socket like this. And now you need to wait for the blue Wi-Fi indicator over here, as always, and continue on your smartphone. So in the application, tap Add another Deco, and now select your home configuration. It's 1 floor, 2 floors, or 3+ floors. I have just only 1 floor, so let's tap on this arrow. Place out in the open space, somewhere in Wi-Fi dead zone. Press this arrow and make sure that your Deco is away from large electrical appliances. Tap on this arrow, plug your Deco, and wait until Deco's LED pulses blue. Already done, so tap this arrow once again. It's looking for the second Deco. It's found. Add this device. Where have you placed this Deco? You can select from this list or go to Custom. Tap on this arrow to apply your settings. And once you're done, I have no more Decos. By the way, you can combine different models of Deco. They will work in the same application altogether and create unified Wi-Fi network. And by the way, you don't have to care about 2.4 and 5 gigahertz bands now. You have dual band network, so all your devices will be connected to the internet at the highest possible speed. Everything looks good. So now you can control your Decos from this application. You can see how many devices connected to each unit. You can test the internet speed right away. You can go to Wi-Fi settings and change your network name and network password, or share password with someone. Also, you can tap on this More tab and have a lot of settings over here, but this is not a topic of this video. We've just connected your Decos to your smartphone. They broadcast in Wi-Fi and everything looks good, as we see in application. So I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next videos. Bye guys.